Hello Travel Bees! In today's video I am sharing with you some finds, cool finds. Is it good, is it bad, what did I find, what did I need from Temu, because everyone is doing it, and not only Temu. Other stuff like other sites like Emag also. Who doesn't know, Emag for Romania is like an Amazon for the States. We have Amazon also, but the thing with Amazon in Romania is that the transport is so expensive. It's more expensive than the product, and it doesn't work, to be honest. So we have our own Emag, that we have stuff from all over Romania and a little bit outside Romania, like Greece and Poland. We have some items, what I found and what I've bought so far. Do you like my lily? It's from Krakow, and I will say that until I will not have any lilies anymore. It's so cool, I love it, I adore it, and I hope I will have more next year. So let's start with the finds. First of all, I will talk about Emag. One find, one thing, two finds actually. And it's not necessarily a find. I was looking for something that I needed and I bought it. This is one of it. It comes like this and is a travel adapter for any type of charging devices. Like this is for UK, Spain. This is the European charger, like this, and we have here Japan and USA charger, which is part of charger, which is like this. This is what is written on it. I also took it, even if I need only the Europe one, I would like to have it with me, because you have two USB chargers, two USB, and you have another port surge, I think you call it, like this. So you can add 3 devices in just one box like this. I bought that from Emag, along with this. This is a wireless microphone, plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear voice, high sensitive, widely compatible. I didn't use it yet. This is something I didn't use. I didn't have time. I just returned from Algeria. And it looks like this. You can charge it here with a Type-C. And you have 2 microphones that you can put. If you have one that is already charging, you have the second one. And this device, you have to, it's Type-C, and you have to stick it in your phone. And all of these are actually, except this, the microphones are charging in this box. So I think it's a good find. I hope it's a good find. It's something that for sure I needed, and I have to try it in the near future. First of all, I have to set it on my device and then start using it, but I didn't have time. I told you I wasn't in Romania when it came, so I have to test it. This is one thing. And now from Temu, I had a swimming suit that I will not share with you, because, you know, unmentionables. It's okay, the bra from the swimming suit, it's okay, but it's a little bit too thick here, so I think I will sew a little bit here. But the underwear is like, it's fitting, the underwear from the swimming suit, it's fitting, but it's like, I don't know how to call it. It's like killing your meat. It's entering your meat, your legs, your thighs, so not necessarily great. They said it's a medium and it's not, at least not for me. Next thing, sunglasses, because they were very cheap, and I said, okay, why not? Let's see what can be wrong. Maybe just not the model. And it comes with a cleaning sheet and an etu. And these are the sunglasses. I'm not sure if I will like them or no, I don't like them. No, these are not for me. I will try them at least once to see how many people are laughing, and after a good laugh I will donate them to my mother, who needs big glasses like this while driving. So it's not a waste of money if you can offer it as a present to someone. But I really like the etu, where you can keep them, and they came in a nice box and also with a cleaning sheet. I mean, I can't say anything for $1.50. You can't say much because it came very nice with a nice presentation. So this is one. What I needed, I really needed a lot of it, is this organizing bag organizer. You just stick it in your bag and you have a lot of pockets where you can add a lot of stuff. The thing is, when I'm traveling, I need my bag organized. Oh, it's not fitting. Guess why? But anyway, I will make it happen. Don't you worry, my dears. It's fitting, a little bit not, but I will make it happen. It's a bag organizer, and I took two of them, one in beige and one in black, because the black one was smaller than the beige one. The thing is that neither of them is fitting in that backpack. That is my travel backpack. Whenever I'm traveling, I am taking it because it has a lot of volume in a small bag like this. I can add almost my mom inside. I'm exaggerating, but it has a lot of pockets outside and inside, which makes your life easy when you're traveling and you have tourists and you have visas and passports to go to the reception and make the check-ins of the rooms and so on. So this is useful, but in another type of bag. This also, but I will still make it happen. Maybe it's time to take another bag which will help me with this. This has even more packed pockets. This is 2 packets. These are the second pair of packets. We have here 4 packets, if you can see. We have here 2 more packets, 1 pocket, 1 pocket, and 1 pocket. And now I always need brushes, painting brushes, because I paint a lot. So I took the chance at least to try them out to see if they are good or not, and to see how can I use them in my paintings. I also needed for my travels towels like this. They are compressed towels that you can put 2 of them in your bag and forget about your worries. When you're in the desert like I was, you just add a little bit of water on a towel and then you can refresh your face, wash your face and your arms from dust and have it. You can reuse it. After you wash it a little bit, you let it dry and reuse it whenever you needed in this type of situations, and when traveling is very good to have. And talking about painting, I needed some precision paint brushes. They look like this. Look, you see? This was an experiment, I can tell you that, but I took the wrong thing. I thought it's for volume, for lip volume, but I took actually night and day hydrating serum. So let's put some serum on, because anyway, it's not for volume. But it's good. Hydration is always important. I have a Google Pixel phone and not a Samsung or an iPhone. It's very hard for me to find casings and nice ones. So I have cute ones. I have one with blue flowers, transparent with blue flowers. My phone is white, and white with blue looks very nice, but it's already on my phone. This is the next one with the pink sand and the sunset. It's amazing. I love it, and I can't wait to use it. Also, this one with traveling and the heart made out of the globe. The mask type of situation. This is a mask, more than one. It's a compressed mask, let's say. It comes like this. You can use it when traveling. Let's see. I have some makeup remover that I can use just for you to see how it looks and what it does. I put a little bit of makeup remover. I'm not, you know, if I destroy one, no worries. And you can put any type of serum you want on it. You just open it after you put your things and put it on and put it on your face like this, just to refresh and hydrate your face and whatever. Oh, I don't know what, I know what is here. These are flashcards. I call them like this. They usually help me a lot of putting informations on cards like these. I make cards whenever I travel in a country and write the base information on them. So I use them like flashcards. Also, it's good if you want to create your own card game or board game, let's say. And I've got, for traveling, for painting purposes, I will not open it because it's fragile. It's gold. Okay, I will do it for you. What am I not doing for you? It's a golden foil for painting. You know, when you want to create a nice painting and you need to put some foil on. These are the foil. Okay, I still can't. Okay, look. We have one here that will be destroyed right now. You see? Golden foil. And they are between other sheets just to protect them and keep them tied up to not destroy themselves while transporting. So this is for painting purposes. You can see it here. Okay, what else? And I have a lot of stickers because I want to create a project. Stickers with sunset like this and with clouds like this. Let's open one and show you a few. Look how nice. It's something that I want to make. It's a project. You will see it in the future, not now until it's ready. It's with forest also. I have a pack. Stickers and messages, you know, the motivation of the day, let's say. Look how nice they are. Actually, these are stickers also, and you can stick them on the flashcards that I showed you if you want to do that. I will not do that. And I have these messages that are motivating, like life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. I'm happiest when I'm with you. Live your dream with passion, make a difference. Start doing things you love, have an open heart, and things like that. It's 100-sheet motivational quotes. Ooh, these are nice. I forgot I took these. And the motivation quotes will go on this below here. You see? It's very cute. Oh, a heart! I love it. So, stickers. A lot of stickers like this with quotes and messages to create a motivational subject, let's say. We have these, which are the same thing with let your confidence shine. You can move mountains. Make your dreams happen. So we have a lot of motivation going on. We all need it in this world full of stress and crazy things. We need a little bit of motivation. So this is kind of it. Some other stickers like this, which are adorable. Everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be kind. And all these kind of motivation things, I think everyone needs it from time to time, and if I can help with it, then I will do it. So this is all I had for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Bye!